I'm Tytus, and this is
LiWen
from DanceInsanity!
Everyone knows the New Yorker. It is so overused, but the Aida,
A little bit underused.
so today we're going to show you how to qualify the Aida step.
Shall we get started? Let's check out the classical version of the Aida.
We will start with a hand-to-hand rock.
2, 3, 4. One big fat quarter turn. Bam! 2, 3, 4. So, very important. And 2, 3, 4. When I'm here, I'm just going to turn me and keep my arm still. Boom, that turns her. Now I'm not going to move her. I'm just keeping my arm still. I move me. Walk, rumba, walk, rumba, walk. 3 walks back, arm is still, life is good. Ways.
The leader sucks at leading the Aida.
2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4. Wrong answer.
2, 3, 4. He turns and forgets to turn me and moves by himself.
2, 3, 4. But it looks so sexy. And now we're going to add in a spiral. 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1.
We're adding the spiral in because it's unexpected and it makes the intro into the Aida much more awesome. And now see how body positions have changed. I'm walking forward, he's walking back. So that this turn into the rock step back into the Aida is so much more unexpected.
And 2, 3, and 4, 1. Now, we've got our lead here, inside turn. Drop the hand low. This is the big deal. When you get to the 3 end, turn yourself, leaders. So you're gonna face her, 2, face her 3. I'm gonna turn my right side back, and hand. Yeah, cool lead. Cool lead. And I move me to move her back in that last rumba walk.
And some of you may be asking, well, how does the follower know that she needs to spiral? As you do the hand-to-hand, he needs to take his left arm up so the follower knows to meet him and then do the spiral, because this spiral is going to come up really, really fast.
So fast.
So if you miss the lead, the train is gone bye-bye and no more spiral for you.
We're both gonna do a spiral now. It's gonna go 2, 3, 4, 1. We regain hold. 2, 3, and 4, 1.
A way to supersize your Aida is to think of your turns as power moves. So you don't see it coming, you turn, and then you turn again.
A little tricky to lead this one. We got rock, replace, forward walk. Now, as I spiral, I'm gonna bring this right through the center point of the two of us, so she knows to turn as well. Now, I offer my hand, and she's gotta be noticing, oh, she touched me. Yes, back, my hand is there. Then I just keep moving forward. 2, 3. You know the rules, apply them. The rules are move yourself, turn yourself. She will then turn or move. Then I move myself back, and I have that connection of left hand. 2, 3, 4, 1. Right hand to right hand. 2, 3, and head loop on 4, 1. For the leader's solo spiral. 2, 3, 4. I'm going to turn, and I'm not going to let her turn. I'm going to wrap that right arm around my waist. Then I'm going to offer that right hand to her right hand. She better be paying attention. Then I just walk forward. 2, 3, turn myself. As I finish the turn, I'm going to bring that right hand up and over as we do that back walk.
This one is especially awesome if, let's say, your follower is not so experienced, but the leader is. So the follower just walks into Aida while the leader gets to show off. Let's change up the timing.
With the grapevine. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 1. Grapevine, we do our hand-to-hand, 2, 3. I'm going to take an overhand grip right there, nice and low. Then we syncopate it. 2, and 3, and 4. Remember, there is two approaches to being a dancer. One is, I'm gonna work really, really hard and someday I will be good. That's one way to do it. The other way to do it is, oh my God, I am really good already, so why don't I start dancing like it? Option B, please. It's an attitude that you can use to improve your dancing much faster. Because we want you to be a fantastic dancer and we want you to improve as fast as you can to take over the world with your dancing.
Hey, if you have friends who love the Aida, who don't know about the Aida, send them this video so they can check it out and they can incorporate the Aida into their dance vocabulary. Let's spread the Aida love throughout the universe. And if you want to get weekly new videos that we make, subscribe to our channel and you will get notifications to check out our new videos as they appear each week.
When you subscribe, make sure you hit that little bell right to the right of the subscribe button. That way, the notifications will be sent to you immediately. I'm Titus.
I'm LiWen.
Thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing you next time.